my name is Doug Wilson. I'm the Director of Security here at Upticks. Today in this video, we're going to look at how you can download and install a standalone instance of osquery on Ubuntu or other Debian package-based Linux systems. The end result will give us an interactive osquery that is standalone. Configuring the osquery daemon service and connecting to a listener or a logger is something outside the scope of this video, but hopefully you'll check out our other videos on the subject. So right now on this Ubuntu box, I do not have osquery installed. You can see it doesn't come up when I try and pull it up. So I'm going to go to the osquery site. This is at osquery.io, and I'm going to click on Downloads, and I will go and find the appropriate Debian package and download it. You may wish to do a signature verification on this, and then you need to get this onto your Linux box through the method of your choice, SCP, other file transfer. I already have this in this particular box. As you can see here, it's the same file I just downloaded, and I'm going to use the dpackage command with the install flag. And that's really all there is to it. I have osquery installed and I'm able to do interactive queries. Again, this is just for standalone usage. This does not actually configure and set up the osquery daemon service, but it's enough for you to get up and running and try some of other exercises that we have in other videos. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you at future videos soon.